Just like we discussed in our previous video, I told you guys I'm going to teach you how to run ads on TikTok, and all this is going straight to your Adsterra account. All right, not just your Adsterra. Like if you really want to run ad to any place at all, you can just use this particular method. But for me, I'm using it on Adsterra. And these days, before you make money on Adsterra, you need to have good reasonable amount of traffic for you to make money there. All right, so, and another thing is, I will teach you this step by step guide. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the tutorial. So what you just need to do now is we go to TikTok. Use your TikTok app. So click here and click this place here, and you're going to see TikTok studio here. And once you tap there, we're going to scroll here, and we're going to see this promote. Okay, once you tap on promote, it's going to take you to the place where we're going to be setting up the ad. All right, look at it here. So, and now I'm going to edit this landing page, but before this I would like to show you one thing. OCE-data.blogspot.com. This is my site, and I mean the script which I use most of the times. You can see it. This is my script. So here I'm going to put in a random phone number, or maybe the user's phone number. Do you understand? And I'm going to click on next. It's going to search. After searching, and it's going to take good, and it will take you to select the device that you were using, which I'm going to select this, and it's going to take you to this place. Then I'm going to select 50 gig data and click on generate. So on this generate button now, after this whole thing, then the person will end up clicking on your ad without him noticing what is going on. Like all these ones that we are doing right now is just for for the main work. Now this is the main button here, this verify button. Once you tap on this verify button now, it's going to take you straight to to internet, and there you watch the ad. You can see it here. So this script, I'm going to drop it at the comment section, all right, or at the video's description. So if you really like this script, just go straight to the video description and get it. You understand? The only thing that you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, because from now upward I'll be dropping source code. You understand? Most especially most of you that may be trying to build mobile application, I'm also going to be dropping the source code very soon. So, but as of now, let's focus on Adsterra and bring the most out of it first before we move to mobile app development. So try to subscribe, because joy is coming. All right, so now we are going to take this OCE data. I'm going to take this site to the TikTok. So I've taught you guys how to set up this source code with your blogger. I've taught you guys how to do it, but if you have not watched the video, just click at this link displaying at the top of this screen now. That is it. Okay, or just the video that is showing around this screen right now. Click on it and watch how to set up your your code with your blogger account. You understand? So that it will turn to site without you paying money. All right. Now, after doing that, we are going back to TikTok so that we can continue with what we have started. Now we're going to click on edit, this edit button here, so that we can change the URL. The recent ad that I run was about mobile app. I move traffic to my apps on Play Store. So, and we need to change the link. Again, make sure your TikTok account is Nigerian account. Okay. Now I'm tapping this place. Okay. Then we are going to, wipe this off. And paste the URL and click on save. Okay, call to action should go to apply now. Okay, apply now. Then we are done for that side. Now the next thing is to select the content. I'm going to tap here and choose the banner that I designed. So if you want to design your own banner, you can just use your sense and pick up the one that you like. Or if you don't know how to design good graphics, you can get someone to to do the work for you. All right. So I'm gonna pick up this one and promote. I've been promoting it, and the kind of amount of stuff that I've got in there. So now look at it here. Here is you're gonna get 71 to 332 link clicks on that one day, and that's gonna cost 1,380 naira. All right. So now we're going to select this for the main purpose, and I'm going to fund it. And that is you're going to recharge 30 coin. Okay, now let's click on recharge, and we're going to recharge 70 right now. That is 1,700. That is what they're going to bill me. I'm going to pay right now. So the payment is processing. You can see that the payment is now successful. Then after this, you have to click on start. Now it's paying. Now this is it. It's a success. All right. Okay, you can see it's done in review. So that is how you can successfully run Facebook, TikTok ads to your Adsterra direct link and make more money. Okay, so remember, I'm going to be dropping that stuff, the link to to the source code. Okay, so that you can still make use of it. Now you may ask, how did I integrated that code? How I integrated my WhatsApp, my Adsterra to the code. If you take your time and study the code very well, you're going to see it's not that hard. You're going to see everything there. Remove that my own link and put your own. That's it. But if you are confused, just drop it at the comment section. I'm going to get you a screenshot of where you're going to edit and remove my own link. Thank you for watching.